Hello, learners! Welcome to our channel where we delve into the world of marketing using cutting-edge technology. Today, we're exploring how to harness GPT 3.5 for crafting compelling copy and ads. Let's dive in and discover the magic behind this powerful tool. Imagine GPT 3.5 as your trusty sidekick in the world of marketing. Just like following a recipe to bake a cake, it guides us through crafting captivating content and ads. For instance, it can whip up catchy slogans and social media posts in a snap. Pretty neat, huh? GPT 3.5 is like a wizard with words. Developed by OpenAI, it's a language model that learns from vast amounts of data to understand and generate text. Picture it as a language expert analyzing tons of information to create engaging content for us. Ever come across ads that instantly grab your attention? That's the magic of GPT 3.5 at work. It's like having a super creative copywriter on hand, generating attention-grabbing headlines and persuasive sales pitches. Just imagine it crafting irresistible slogans for your favorite products. GPT 3.5 is not just any ordinary tool, it's personalized. It can create unique content tailored to individual preferences and behaviors. Think of it as sending personalized emails to your subscribers, making them feel special and valued. Every brand has its own unique voice, right? Well, GPT 3.5 is a master at mimicking and adapting to different brand voices seamlessly. It's like having a chameleon that blends into any environment, maintaining consistency across all channels. In the world of digital marketing, SEO is king. GPT 3.5 knows the ropes, generating content optimized for search engines. It's like having a secret weapon to boost your website's visibility and attract more visitors. Ever wondered which ad copy performs better? Enter A/B testing. With GPT 3.5, you can generate multiple variations of content for testing campaigns. It's like having a virtual lab where you experiment and refine your strategies based on real-time data. Ethics matter, even in the digital realm. When using AI like GPT 3.5 for marketing, transparency is key. Always disclose when content is AI generated and prioritize user privacy and data protection. In marketing, it's essential to keep a close eye on performance metrics. GPT 3.5 can help track metrics like click-through rates and user engagement, allowing you to fine-tune your strategies for optimal results. As we wrap up, remember that GPT 3.5 is a powerful ally in your marketing arsenal. Embrace its potential while upholding ethical standards and staying ahead of the curve. The future of marketing with AI is bright, and we're excited to see what lies ahead. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey into the world of GPT 3.5 and marketing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy marketing, and may your campaigns be ever compelling.